All right.
So I have Ivan with me from typeai.
Hello. Hi, everyone.
Yo yo yo, and we are looking at like what's happening in the market, which tokens are pumping, and which are the people actually bringing some bullish impact.
We were
So
just analyzing, just to add on, we were just analyzing AI projects, AI agents, because we run an AI project as well. So we are just analyzing who are, relevant and who in the space are, talking around AI. So that's what we are looking at this point of time.
okay, so basically we saw that morphai really in just a month long launch is kind of stable at 20 million, which is really impressive. Um, so we were just curious, like, okay, who are the KOLs and who brought major volume at these levels, etc. Um, and it's a very bullish W pattern. So I think if they continue to market well and onboard new KOLs, it could really easily go to 40 million. It's a very good chart, this W. But okay, so looking at data, I think even this AI XPT impact is really bullish. Let me yeah, so look
But
at
at
this.
what market cap did he call, by the way? Can we have
uh
that data?
yes, wait, so look, AI XBT called them
Hmm.
at 1.2 million, and this took them within 3 days on December 13 to 20 million. So look at this impact of AI XBT.
So it's 1.2 million or 12 million? Can we check that once?
It's 20,
0.01? Yeah, 0.
0.19.
Yo, 1.2 to 1.20 million. That's a great call, to be very honest.
Yeah, let's look at the tweet. So this, and it just made one tweet, and they picked up,
Hmm.
they capitalized on that momentum,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
bang.
Hmm.
And I think it also brought some um, let's say interest in the market.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Definitely.
So let's look at the tweet, and it was
I'm not very
basically,
well versed with AI XBT, to be very honest, but seems like JP pulled off someone very good
yeah,
out
yeah,
of his
man.
hat.
So look, it tweeted about proof on December 8th, and then uh, around 9 p.m. it also had a first mention of morphai latest proof launch.
All
And
right, it's on a comment. Yeah, yeah.
mhm. So this brought, and how many views it has? Let's see, 15.7K views, and the main tweet has 45K. So,
That's great, to be very honest. Yeah.
and it was fresh. So, and the good part about this is it has real community impact, because AI XBT has 300K followers. It's one of the best tokens in AI agent market. It's like truly, truly viral. All the big accounts are engaging with it.
Hmm.
So, and if you look at like AI XBT's data, bang on, like it is tweeting left, right, and center about so many tokens. Today it tweeted about 20. It's,
Makes sense. Makes sense.
yeah, but okay, let's look at who. And then I also particularly liked the impact of overdose. Oh shit, man.
So I'll tell you one thing.
Hmm.
There's this guy, Crypto Mark ETH over here. Uh,
Yeah.
as far as I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but he comes from the Dubai Cabal. All right.
Uh-huh.
So there's a Dubai Cabal which consists of people like Bossman, Dylan.
Hmm.
Uh, there was this another guy. Shmoo is also in this cabal, and Mark is also in this cabal. All right, and he was driving a lot of volume at one point of time, but his rates, like, it's very difficult to afford him as well, because
Uh-huh.
he's He's not someone that can be afforded very easily as well. So yeah,
Man, I mean, if they have good volume, it's absolutely worth it
yeah.
to have them.
Can we see his impact there,
Yeah, I'm just trying
Manik?
to see if I'm able to fetch its data because this token, so he was around this,
14 million.
yeah, but the volume
Yeah,
was there.
bro.
Like you see, like he was involved in an area where like volume was not so, had some impact,
Mm-hmm.
I won't, and
Now,
it's
so
a,
basically,
hmm,
the thing with him is he has a private group, all
hmm,
right, and most of his volume. So what happens with people like private groups is, I would like to give out a shout out to Manik, all right. For example, there's this new KOL coming up, Manik,
hmm,
who I believe that will be one of the biggest KOLs out there, all right. There are people like Manik, Mansuri Crypto. So the thing with them is most of their volume drives out from their private group.
hmm.
So by the time they post, they've already delivered the pump, right? You get
Okay.
what I'm trying to say.
Hmm, hmm, hmm,
So that's one of the issues with them.
hmm, hmm, hmm.
Uh, like when we are tracking Twitter data, then we are not able to track the data that
Yeah,
the pump they have created through their private group.
I'm with you. You're right.
Hmm.
So, but you see, uh, I mean, we have to start finding correlation. If
Hmm.
there are people in his private group who are maybe tweeting, or because there is time, So this guy
Hmm.
tweeted
Hmm. Hmm.
quite high, in my opinion. Or let's say, let's take 1 hour before candle. So 16 million, 15 million. The volume was there, but yeah, I won't call him like a very good KOL to track. Like good for the project, but I won't call it
Hmm.
like
Hmm.
good for like investors to take his signal. On the other hand, if you look at like this overdose, um, he really brought in big impact. Look at this.
Overdose is overdose.
Yeah, like this is so
Overdose
fucking
is
cool,
overdose.
man. And I need to take some screenshots of this. Let's look at someone else like who Rob
So
Woods.
this Rob Woods guy work very closely with Crypto God John.
Uh-huh.
Also very impactful, good guy coming up. So
Mm-hmm.
Crypto God John, in my opinion, also has a very small circle going around right now. There's this
Rob
guy
Woods.
called Zach that
Mm-hmm.
I know of, Rob Woods. All of them work around the same circle. There
Hmm.
are there are a few guys as well, and you would see that if a project has been called by Rob Woods or a project has been called by Zach, it is very likely that Crypto God John might call it.
Oh,
So it's like a tiered system. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay, okay. So
So it's
you're
like a
saying
tiered
Crypto
system.
God John. I
Usually interacts with projects that have been called out by Rob Woods. And same goes with OD as well. So obviously
hmm.
OD knows this circle, right? So
Hmm.
same goes with OD as well. Because the thing is, these guys bring a lot of volume from their Discord privates,
Okay.
and that's something really untapped by
Okay,
a
so
lot of
so
this
so
industry.
what we can do, Ivan, here is if we
Hmm.
can look like what was the volume,
Hmm.
like just a casual conversation, we would automate this data. Like what was the volume when they tweeted, like before, 1 day before and 1 day after. So this
Yeah.
can give us a good metrics. It's not always the market
Hmm.
cap, but
Hmm.
for a project, let's say if we
Hmm.
have to launch a KOL management service soon, we can truly say like if they are worth it or not. Even as like, let's say I have to onboard John for uh, xalpha. It could
Hmm.
be quite interesting to see if his fees or charges or whatever incentive
Hmm.
are worth it.
All right. Yeah, yeah.
So, but look at the projects. He tweeted recently. If you look at some, so Rai was one, and I think
Hmm.
all the other projects are like truly like bang on. They launched. No one understands why it went like full retard, ballistic.
Hmm.
It's because they are in the private groups, or they these are like from the teams who are connected to them already. So
Yeah,
kind
yeah.
of,
These are mostly insider launches. So,
yeah.
for example, autos, right? Autos,
Hmm.
if I am understanding if it's the same autos token,
Hmm.
so it's like buying, cars with crypto and stuff, something like that. It had a huge private round. Like I can say huge private round.
Hmm.
They were like they had a decent website. They
Hmm.
had a pitch deck floating around. And it was floated to every relevant guy, every relevant KOL in
Which
this
one?
industry.
Which one? Parallel AI.
Autos, not
Autos.
parallel AI.
Hmm.
Yeah, autos.
Okay.
Parallel AI on the same hand, I believe, again, a very insider launch, to be very honest.
Let's look at
To,
autos.
yeah,
Okay.
I believe it's the same
Wow,
project,
it's just
Crypto Autos
25
or
days,
something
so
like that.
that's bullish. Like,
Hmm.
it's quite fresh and it has 22 million, but let's see if it launched. Um but one more thing is it's listed in a centralized exchange.
But see now, it's a private sale token.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
That's the whole that makes a lot of difference, to be very honest.
Yeah, fair point.
What
Fair point.
happens with projects like us, right? Uh, the thing is, we have built it the hard way. In my opinion, what I say is we built it the hard way. But at the same point of time, the power of community that we have with us,
Hmm.
I don't believe that they have with them. Because our community, because they are so involved, we truly believe that our community is everything for us.
Yeah.
And that's because we've actually built from the scratch. I have people, like there are people who have invested at 400K in typeai.
Hmm.
They have been till for 40 million, 50 million. They've round tripped and they're still there because they believe
Hmm.
in the vision of the team. That doesn't come with, private sales that much,
Possibly. Possibly.
because the
I
stake is not high. The
well,
stake is lower usually.
well, like we said, look, it's a private. It's like a very big, successful launch, and John was right on day one.
Fair enough.
So
So so you see, right? John called and then there was a dip.
I think the chart also was a
Right.
bit quite
Yeah.
weird one because it launched very high
Yeah.
market cap. So
Hmm.
it's had its dump, like the private sale
True.
people are exiting. So these are the charts. Like you look at chart and you can tell, okay, what could have happened before.
True.
And
Makes
this
sense.
is look, this is the point. 500K volume, and this is just the centralized exchange volume in KuCoin and other wherever it was launched. There would have been a lot of wait, it's a trading button, so there would have been a lot of volume there itself. So these people got out. They are happy, the private sale
Yeah.
guys.
Definitely.
But once there is
And
flush,
I don't believe I believe there would be vested as well.
yeah,
I believe that there would be a vesting period as well. So
yeah.
it's mostly an insider launch, to be very honest. Like they were desperately trying for Alex Becker as well, but I really don't think they uh, closed Alex Becker
But look, man, they
because
have a lot of I don't know how many
yeah, they have good
K.
guys. They have good
I
guys.
mean, it's not necessary that all the like these. This is a botted account for sure. It can a project cannot have 400K followers. Sorry, crypto autos,
Mhm.
but still
Mhm.
because you had a very excellent private sale and pre-launch. AIXBT has also tweeted about them. Let's see what they
Yeah,
have.
XBT, we can find them everywhere,
Autos
probably.
launching. Also, look. Man, this is so interesting. Let's look at it. Launched 7 days before. Like it tweeted 7 days ago, and look at this. It it has brought some attention, and it is helping. The market is
True,
good.
true, true.
These popular accounts, they are actually making your brand be visible. The product is good, of course. The narrative is good. Autos with crypto. What will happen after bull run? You all want Lamborghinis. So it's
True,
quite
agreed.
hitting the moment. Market is bullish. Everyone wants fancy shit. There is bear market. No one wants even a bicycle or
Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough.
So that's good. But I have no idea who are these Newtons or Hackerpreneur. Average views are not so high.
Crypto Newton is uh,
Uh,
charges not a very expensive KOL, to be very honest, but good for visibility in my opinion.
hmm. But
He's a
he is
good
a
guy,
private
like
account.
good, yeah, good guy. Post for about $1,000 in my opinion. Gives two posts for $1,000.
Mm-hmm. Man, don't reveal his rates.
Oh, I'm really sorry, Crypto Newton. If this goes viral.
This
Yeah,
just
this guy is also relevant. It's not like not a totally irrelevant guy in the space.
hmm. He,
Hackapreneur, right?
mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have some data about him. Yeah,
December 3rd.
not very relevant. Yeah,
Justin Wu. Wee woo, wee woo.
dogs guy. Bro, do you really think that these guys are truly doxed? Like some of these guys who go around pretending to be KOLs, do you
Ah,
think they're truly doxed?
I mean, everyone has an alternate identity, and everyone. I believe that a lot of people are just. You find them in conferences, but no one knows who they are. I meet so many
Yeah,
people. Like you also hit
yeah,
so many
true.
conferences.
Yeah, true.
This and the good part about crypto is people have accepted the idea of confidentiality in this space or privacy in this space. They don't really bother if they're talking to someone they know or they have seen personally before.
Yeah, true. Agree.
His interests are so random, man. All are like most of them are established tokens. So he's just engagement farming also.
Makes sense.
But I don't know. I have no idea. But good for him. He's engaged. He is involved. So Satoshi Flipper, like
Satoshi Flipper again, good guy. Very regular, very. We have him on typeai as well.
I mean, he's a
Uh,
disciplined guy. He fulfills
yeah, very
his
disciplined was the word. Yeah.
promise. Like
Yeah,
he would consistently tweet. Look at him. Look at his consistency.
100%. Yeah, he's
Man,
very consistent.
in 7 days, this guy has tweeted at least 100 times. 100 times means he's making 15 tweets per day. Look at him today. Like mention of
Mm.
cash tags like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 12 tokens tweeted just today.
Yeah, he's a nice guy. He's a nice guy. Picks up only good projects. Very selective, and in my opinion, doesn't uh, doesn't fuck around a lot. To be very honest,
Mm-hmm.
works with good people only.
Mm-hmm.
I have a lot of respect for him.
Truly. Quite interesting. CRAI. Oh, okay.
This must be
CISO.
Cryptify.
Yeah, I think it's Cryptify. I thought it's this uh, Cpal.
Oh,
I don't know what happened with
so
Cpal. It was quite interesting.
Cpal and Cerebro both are dumping. The founder is taking a holiday in Bahamas, I believe.
I have no clue. So
Cpal
Cpal.
and Cerebro. Well, the founder is so well off. Why would he launch another token, man? To be very honest,
I have
then
no
not
clue
run
who is
both
the
the
founder.
tokens.
Who is the
Uh,
founder?
there's the Scouts guy, Cloud Scouts guy,
Hmm.
launched another token, Cerebro, pumped it to a good level.
Man, look at this
Uh,
fucking chart. Oh my
yeah,
god.
bro.
This
He
is.
did a push. He did a very good push on both Cpal and Cerebro.
But look, it's quite fresh, you know? This
Yeah.
thing was sitting at what 1.7 million market cap? No.
But at the same point of time, I believe to have to crack income sharks on both your
Hmm.
projects.
Aha! It's income
To
sharks,
crack income
baby.
sharks on both your projects, and he has a proper deal with income sharks. Like income sharks is actually getting behind his project.
Wow. Quite
That's a
interesting,
good
man.
deal.
Man, look at this. I
Yeah.
have never seen income sharks so bullish on something.
Same with Ape Screener.
But it took
Income
no.
Sharks
Look at
did
this.
wonderful
Look
with
at
Ape
this,
Screener.
man. Look at this. He warmed up after 2 months since launch.
No, yeah,
Cpal.
yeah, yeah.
I mean, they did their grind, I would say.
Yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely. Good product, good product. They've done their grind.
So look, this
It's a
is
good
also one
product.
thing which you have to look at. Consistent, big respect for income. He had his pull.
But how did someone crack Income Sharks for both their projects, man? That's
I
just
mean,
my
it's
question.
trust. Truly, it's trust. Sometimes you just trust a team.
Maybe.
So
If I were Income Sharks, I wouldn't call a founder who's launching two projects,
I would
who's
call,
running two
man.
basically
Look,
two projects.
this is wrong. Elon Musk has how many companies? Even if whatever, it's a wrong, let's say, scale to compare. Serial
Yeah,
entrepreneurs are
true.
not coders sitting in the laptop
True,
and
true,
coding.
maybe true.
They are businessmen. Look at all the richest people in the world. They have, or this one of the smartest entrepreneurs in the world. They have their, let's say, money deployed everywhere.
Yeah, true, 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 true. But at the same point of time, then the team. So if you pick up the charts, you'll see a pattern. So if you open
Mm-hmm.
it in parallel, Cerebro and Cpal,
Okay.
you'll see the pattern as well. So it's
Hmm.
very clear that the team is not active at this point of time, and you'll see a very clear
Okay.
pattern.
So you're saying team, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you check it.
So let me look. Let me filter their team account tweets. Chain pal AI. How many followers? 2646. Okay. I mean, yeah, 2646. I need to put some, good filters here. Okay, I need to go for all mentions then and sort by first post because they must have tweeted early. Look, um, okay, sorry guys, we just give 40-day data, 30-day data, or 45-day data. So that's why
Hmm.
this analytics is done there. But yeah, look at ChainPal account. They have tweeted even. Oh, they are tweeting consistently, at least at the tweet level.
Mm-hmm.
They are
It's
regular.
daily
So
right now as well, right?
yeah, they are talking about their product nonstop. So last post, mm, something is wrong with this data maybe, but oh, December 22nd, Chain Pal. No, they tweeted today. They did not mention their token, let's say,
Ticker.
ticker. Yeah, I need to change that.
Yeah, usually projects don't mention their token ticker
Hmm.
in
No,
their
but I,
tweets, right?
I would, I would also start adding that. Like, if there's a official handle talking about something, it's by default getting mapped there. I had this feature. I don't know. I need to just go and check this data again. It must be.
But how would it be relevant in terms of tracking? Okay, so you need to track the consistency of the product
Yes,
project, right?
yes. So look
Uh,
here. I have added news and DYOR, right? So in news,
hmm,
I would add a section like how many tweets the team did in the span
hmm,
of last 3 months. So like in for a coder, GitHub commits.
hmm,
So we will have like
hmm.
tweet commits from the team.
Makes sense.
And
Makes
it's
sense.
so
Makes
fucking
sense.
bullish, man. I just love like the visualization. Like it would be like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely.
it would be quite cool.
I believe you just have to be consistent at stuff.
Hmm.
To be very honest, if you're very consistent, you eventually get your recognition.
Yeah.
Either it's on day one. For example, Ape Screener is a very big example for me, man.
Man, big regards,
They're
big
big,
respect.
big, big regards. Big respect, big regards. For the founder, he's a legend.
I love Ape Screener team.
Yeah, yeah.
They have patience. Love it.
Yeah, especially launching with Ely, man.
Look at this.
Getting rid of all
Ellie,
that
I
cell
don't want to
pressure as
talk
well.
about Ellie. But
Getting rid of cell pressure, man. 2% supply.
I mean, I never worked with him. Yeah, of course, I mean, the launch. Um it's, I mean, for new teams, it's very helpful who have no experience in crypto. So it's like this, if you are experienced, so you and I are looking at it from a different point of view. Look, we are experienced people. So for us, 2% is a lot as founders.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
imagine you were here 4 years ago when you had no clue what to do. You give seed funding at a very
True,
cheap
true, true,
valuation.
true, 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 true,
So that's fair. I would say
true.
I appreciate his, like, he selects tokens or teams which are hardworking and which are very new.
Yeah,
Cool.
true. I somewhat agree with his business model. I don't agree with it with the practices. That's all.
Hmm.
In
Well,
my
Type AI
opinion,
was
2%,
a good launch.
Early incubation only. Yeah, yeah. But he did not keep any supply. He started keeping it afterwards.
Hmm. Ah,
That's the
okay.
whole.
So you were very lucky then.
Yeah, we were very lucky. He has a beautiful script, man. He has a beautiful script, launch script.
Okay. Oh man, I need to fix this. I, oh, but trust me, this tool is so much fun to just look at. So, well, we were talking about AI agents. Should we look at AI agents, or you wanna look at Cerebro token?
For sure, for sure.
Do you? Let's look at last, like, Cerebro for Cerebro 29 days. Wow, they launched 3 months. Okay, no. It's after 2 months of. tu- Let's see. Okay, so look, this is Income Sharks love for. Quite funny. He kind of stopped tweeting about them pre-Christmas, after Christmas.
Yeah.
December 15th, first tweet. They tweeted December 1st. Hmm.
Same pattern.
Mm, same pattern. Let's look at Income Sharks. So he had a chat about Cpal 3 days ago. Okay, let's see what he tweeted. Sniping, copy trading, blah blah blah. Okay, yeah. So he's subtly talking about it continuously.
I think Cerebro is way below his level now to talk.
Yes.
I don't think he would be talking
1.
about
Yeah, I
Cerebro.
mean, it's fine. Not everything flies. It's fine.
Yeah, yeah, obviously, 100%, 100%.
It's
It's all
fine.
about traction and narrative as well.
Hmm. But look at him. He brings some attention to the projects, like even by soft. The first tweet, let's look at, like, first tweet from Income Sharks. CRX looks good. I mean, it's fine. 7,000 views on a tweet which had 3,000 views. Like, it's good. Like, it's a good. So if teams capitalize on this, like, oh, Income Sharks is on it, you know.
Also, Income Shark has a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful success rate. If you
Yes.
track him, right, he, for some reason, only picks up projects that are very, 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 very good tech.
Yeah.
He has a very beautiful success rate.
No, he has an eye
And he
for,
picks projects. Yeah, yeah.
like, look,
What's,
some people, sorry to interrupt. So some
yeah,
people
yeah.
have the understanding of the market,
hmm
and they have seen it.
So,
They have been watching it for ages. So that experience counts, man.
but
He,
to add on,
hmm.
I know for a fact that Income Shark is not tracking alphas. So, for example, I'll give you a difference, okay? For example, an Alex Becker or an OD only calls alphas. They know the dev very well. They know the things very well.
Aha.
Income is the only guy who's giving opportunities to newcomers who's giving opportunities to people who are working hard behind their tech. And
Agree.
income is the only guy who's doing this, in my opinion.
You're right.
Like of that scale, he doesn't take any money. Is purely organic. Picks up projects. He has talked about both our projects, right? We've been working for the past 1.5
Yeah.
one year, and
Yeah.
we were blessed enough to be talked about by income sharks.
Yeah.
So he's just beautiful in that nature, and he has a beautiful success. Even when not talking about alphas, he has such a beautiful success rate in such a bad market.
Yeah. I'm with
Oh,
you.
how experienced do you need to be? Like, how experienced is that guy, man? To be very honest.
Love him. Truly.
Yeah,
Excellent man.
truly love him. Yeah, excellent guy.
So quite particular, rest others are very predictable. After you spend a couple of years in the market, you can look at it.
Hmm.
But okay, so um I wanted to also, we have to start talking about some people like crypto shills. Let's some people who are quite early, but okay, Cerebro is not a good one. I wanted to just look at some tokens where we can look for identify new KOLs. So let's look at this RAI. This shit is 100 million, man. 16-day old
I've not
project.
heard about it.
Again,
Like I've seen the cash tag somewhere,
it's
but
basically
haven't looked
AI
into it.
ecosystem built for blockchain. So you can write Solidity. That's what I
Hmm.
understood earlier. Like you can write smart contracts just using prompts for developers, for founders. It's just like an agent for launching things, but it's a good one. If it works,
Mm-hmm.
it's a no code tool, LLM
Makes sense.
powered, and good layer on top of LLMs, which is agents basically. Good one. Love it. If they work, it brings a lot of simplification. But look at the launch listed on MEXE. Interesting, yeah. After 9 days, listed on MEXE. MEXE Kickstarter. Then let's look at. Oh, Becker is on board.
Becker called.
Becker is on board.
Hmm.
Good one.
Mr. Commit.
Then,
Yeah, again looks like an insider. Rover, Wall Street bets, crypto got drawn.
but let's look at
How
like
how
people who were very
16
early
days?
to it. People who were very early to it.
So this guy DeFi first. Scroll up.
Yeah. One
Not
moment.
this,
I'm
not
just.
this.
Ah, there was
Okay.
some pre-launch. So let's just 1 minute. Okay, from here. These are the people who were kind of early. Try
No, no.
Sigma.
Scroll up. Scroll up.
Scroll up where?
Scroll up once. This chart, KOL chart. Scroll up. Scroll up. Scroll up. Scroll up. Scroll up. So this guy don't buy tops. Okay, 9,000 followers. He's a very good guy.
No, but he is not. He did not talk about this RAI. There is one more RAI.
Okay,
So because we have just mapped the cache tags.
okay.
So it was an old RAI basically. So that's why I
All right, all right,
ignored
all
them
right.
and I say from here, possibly from this guy. To ticker RAI. No, it's
Yeah,
also
but again, looks like a private sale. To be very honest.
no. Wait. So try Sigma after 1 day. Quite interesting. It's an insider launch for sure. This volume is unreal. Sitting at 20 million on first day on Ethereum, you need context. It's not Solana or Base where, degens are like this chart here First day 20 15 million. I saw it actually. You would laugh at me. I bought it at like 2 million. I sold it at some 6 7 million, just thinking like
How
okay.
did you buy, like
xalpha.
insider?
Hmm?
Like how did you get to know about it?
In xalpha. So I can show you what I do right now. For example, in cash tags, I go there trending. I want to just new pairs. So let's look at tokens which are 7 day, and you just sort them by 1 hour descending. So this is 2 million 7 hours ago, 183 in Solana. So, or swarms also, or buzz AI. If I sort them, let's say by age, let's make it to, to, reset. Let me sort them by, let's say 1 day only. So here, just today, these tokens launched, right? So then out of curiosity, I want to look at what exactly is happening. This looks, sorry, one moment. I need to drink some water. Let's do 2 million to 20 million. Nothing. But well, today is Sunday, so it's also not the best day to look at this. But if I look at last 1 week, so did you know Percy?
Nah, no
Perseverance.
clue.
Man, I have a bot. What it does, as soon as Elon Musk tweets, it just
Mm-hmm.
looks for tokens related to that tweet.
That ticker. Okay.
Yes. So we have deployed it, and it would come here in signals, and like here you would have. I have so many things here. We are just talking about one hashtag one. So this guy Elon Musk tweeted, "I am creating a new oh God, where is Elon Musk?" So he tweeted about Percy. This I started a new character called Perseverance. 129. One, where did we go? Oh, sorry. Yeah, I need to improve the. Okay, interesting. So let's look at this. They deployed it at 133 within 4 minutes. Crazy. It went ballistic.
Mm.
Look at 1 minute chart. 129. This is funny. You know why?
Mm-hmm.
So, what is the meta? So, this is like now you know anytime Elon Musk uses Grok to generate a character or calls any random name,
Mm-hmm.
you can buy that token if it's Safu. Look, this shit went from so slow. This is a beautiful chart, man. It's just because of Elon Musk's tweet.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
And um, so, so what do? I just look at this data
Mm-hmm.
and you see like, okay, 1 hour, people have to talk about it, right? If they are talking
Uh-huh.
about
Yeah.
it, you can And if it's a good, let's say, price point, it's worth it to invest. Like today, 2 day ago, this Evo AI, like a lot of people are talking about it. A lot of people are talking about it. So I would take interest. Like, okay, is it worth it to look at this? Let's look who is tweeting Evo AI. Mm, CryptoCans, Rono. Okay, this is an Ethereum group, Kenzo.
Yeah, Evo AI, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I've heard about it.
And 6 million, not bad. Launched yesterday. Chart at launch. Let's look at chart at launch. Yeah, insider launch. Not insider, like yeah, like the team knew people and find this hit directly to 2 million with a good volume at launch was tax. Maybe it's a tax token. 5 5, yeah, good. 813K, they made some good money. I mean, how much? 5% of 2 million. Wow. Approximately 1.5 million volume.
True. Yeah.
Good one. Good one. So, who were involved? I think still has room to grow.
I believe Kenzo called it very early, very, very early.
Yeah, we look at this data then. Who were involved earlier? So this is a 5 minute, 15-minute chart. Uh, Price is 0.70. Yeah, but this chart is also a bit because it pumped quite fast, man. Look at this. Within it, it was 1.5 million. It just hit 4 million, and it's just sitting there on itself. Went 8 million. Cool. It would come here. We would see it at 4 million if you're if you look at this support line or this. It would come down. 821 holders. So who tweeted here? We would know then, like who is the team. 15 minutes. Vault Boy. First post. Evo AI. There's so these guys, Crypto Masters. Do you know Crypto Masters?
No idea, no clue.
Awesome launch, blah blah blah.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. This guy, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Calls early.
Custom agents. It's an AI agent launch.
Yeah, yeah.
Interesting. So he was involved early after 2 hours.
Looks like a pre-sale. This might be a pre-sale also, by the way.
Crypto Masters, JCMH, JCMH, and market profit. Yeah, I mean they haven't onboarded like really a lot of people so far,
Mm,
and Kenzo was quite early, 4 hours, 6 hours, so he was onboarded. How is Kenzo's impact?
right now, he's doing good.
He's doing good
Right now. So
because he.
Kenzo
Hmm.
is one of those guys who's extremely hardworking.
Aha.
Okay, extremely hardworking. Like he is one of the most hardworking guys out there.
Let's
So
follow
he
him.
has built his network
Hmm.
in the sense that he is almost everywhere. Everybody knows him. and now he can be, branded as one of those guys that, like, you can say a higher tier two, because everybody knows this guy, right?
Hmm.
And he has built his network so well that now
Hmm.
he is only here. He smells the bullshit. If there's a bullshit project, right, he smells the bullshit, doesn't call it.
Hmm.
Otherwise, he markets himself like that. And in my opinion, it's very good.
Well, let's look at what he's talking about then.
Mm.
So, in last one day, Evo AI Sim AI. Okay. And 1 hour ago, okay, he has tweeted a few. It should come very soon. So, Sim AI. Cool. One time,
Simei must be a new launch.
4 hours. Simian AI. AI data mapping. EVM layer 1. Big partnerships. Swiss affiliation for credibility. I don't care. No one cares. Sim AI. Simian AI. Who is talking? Only two.
This
If
Kyodelic guy is also good. CryptoCons is also good. Yeah, it's mostly Kenzo's network guy.
yeah, I
Networks
mean this
guy.
network is good. I won't say not, but ROI wise, I don't know. I mean,
You never
uh,
know. People around Kenzo are printing. Definitely printing. In
yeah,
the past
ROI
few
for a
months at
project
least.
is not the. Yeah, but please go on. Sorry.
Yeah, in the past few months at least, Kenzo is the first one to call out a banger. Like if you monitor charts, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's usually Kenzo who's the first one to call it out. And I don't know how he's filtering out and all these things, or if it's mostly insider launches, or he knows the team. But Kenzo is someone who can spell it out.
But look what he has tweeted. He has
No, I'm
tweeted.
I'm talking about the projects that he has called. So he's probably the first one to give his community the entry. You get what I'm trying to say?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So for example, as this project only ZKAI, if you look, it
Hmm.
would probably be one of the first few people to call it out.
ZKAI.
Hmm. Any project you see, Kenzo is usually trying to be the first one to enter.
Okay, I'm now
So that
interested
gives
in
him an edge
ZKAI.
and his community an edge.
What's the name? ZK Crypt AI. Why is it not searching? ZK.
Your screen share stopped, by the way,
Oh,
on Meet.
what?
Hmm.
Man, you should tell me.
I'll head to bed, bro. It's too late here. Also, we'll close this in another 10 minutes.
Yeah, let's close it. So, um, I mean, I would, um, let's say, post this live. Would you
Mm-hmm.
be fine if I just simply
Yeah,
dump
yeah,
it in
not an
our?
issue, not an issue. Maybe cut the Cerebro and the Chain part. Haha, I don't want their projects to dump.
Why would they dump? Did we talk?
Makes sense.
Did we talk
Yeah,
anything negative?
yeah, true, 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 100% true.
Okay. So, ZK Crypt. ZK Crypt. Let's take a look at like a few projects, like where is Kenzo entering, and then we head to bed. What happened to ZK Crypt? What was some other project recently? Berry.
I don't remember. He's called Evo AI. Evo AI. He has called. CK Crypt has called. Let me think of the top of my head.
Evo AI. Let's do Evo AI.
Mm.
No, Evo AI we saw. What was something else? Let me. I need to introduce this. So, whatever we are looking at, I need to make a view where we just click on that person and it's just coming ASAP, bang bang. What happened with
Maybe
EOS?
maybe also use so there have been some Telegram bots coming up that are tracking the calls. For
Hmm.
example, Rick is this bot. I'm not very sure.
Hmm.
I'll do my research on Rick, but it also tracks calls for private group calls and stuff like that.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
In that sense, maybe you can do track that as well. Like if you can do a partnership with them, that would be great as well. Yeah. Let's see when Kenzo
So
entered
after
this.
6 hours, Kenzo entered Evo AI. Let's look at
Who
and
who entered before him? That's the
no one,
question.
not no one, just Vault Boy
Okay, no. Scroll
and
up, scroll up, scroll up.
no, they are the old one. They are not the right ones to look at. That's why I did not show.
Okay. So Kenzo is the first one to enter,
And
right?
Crypto Masters.
Yeah.
Okay, so these two guys. But let me now look at other tokens for you.
This particular strategy was used by Ryoshi as well. There's this guy Ryoshi.
Hmm.
Uh, he used this particular strategy as well. Like he
Hmm.
was usually the first ones to call out a project, and it used to be bangers,
Hmm.
good old good projects.
Hmm.
Uh, but yeah,
I mean, look at
Ryoshi at
RAI.
one point was very big, became very big.
I need to look at his data then. After our call, I'll just go into that research mode
But
again.
Ryoshi again, these are Telegram influencers: Kenzo, Ryoshi, Gems of Ra, Kingdom.
Mm-hmm.
These are Telegram influencers. It'll be very unfair to track them through Twitter, in my opinion.
That's also true. I mean, I see a bug here for me because Kenzo has tweeted RAI. It tells me in my extension data, but I don't see. So latest tweet. This. Let's look at tweets. So he tweeted RAI, and oh, but he tweeted that he missed.
Miss Jim.
Okay, track some big wallets.
I'm very sure that RAI must have been shared by him in his private groups.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Possible. That
yeah.
very much possible.
So we
Very
can
much
even
possible.
know who are the people in his private groups. Truly,
Yeah, very much possible. Very
we
much
just
possible.
look at
No,
like the.
he's one of the most hardworking guys over in the space right now.
Mhm.
He's extremely hardworking.
Same AI.
Extremely hardworking. And he built his reputation. Like when we launched typeai,
Mm-hmm.
he was uh, he was trying to make a name for himself. Not to take away anything from him, but he is so big right now in terms of the growth. It's very fascinating how much he has grown in the past year or so.
I mean, man, those who work hard, they.
Yeah, extremely hardworking guy. Very hardworking guy.
And it's good. Otherwise, this industry is not rewarding everyone fairly.
Yeah, true. He must have made some money as well in the past 1 year working this hard.
I think he has a good board.
Yeah, definitely.
But this same AI, okay, this is the chart of
Mm.
same AI. If I look at 4 hour chart, 18 December. So Kenzo tweeted about same AI 5 hours ago. He's just new to it. Simian AI.
Okay, and what was the market cap it launched at? It's a fair launch.
I think it looks like a fair launch.
Mm.
0.009. So yeah, fair launch.
And Kenzo entered around 2 million, 1.1, 1.5, 2 million.
Now he has just entered.
Okay. Bro, what is this chart? Are they doing market making?
I think so.
Yeah, very much possible.
They are doing market making.
Looks like it.
I mean, who gives us 300 million volume on a 2.3 million market cap token, which
The
also
volume is 300 million.
300k, sorry.
300K. Nah, 300K is possible, still possible.
Yeah, per day.
It's possible. Yeah, possible, possible.
No
Even
man.
we must have around that volume, 250, 200K. Check for that, check for us.
Yes, type A, right? Two,
Mm.
two, two,
It's
100K.
100K.
Yes.
Yesterday it was 250K, in my opinion.
Man, you have great volume.
Yeah.
We need to talk about this topic in our private chat.
And we
Good.
have been working so hard, so judiciously. The level of tech that both of us are building,
Man,
it's not
eventually,
seen in the space.
look, you have to give it the agent. You have to write the agent narrative.
No, so basically the thing is, so what we are doing is we are building like we spoke about last time, right?
Hmm.
So we are building our own AI SDK, all right, toolkit
Mm-hmm.
that natively interacts with the blockchain.
Yeah.
So my my branding is that you can build AI agents using typeai.
Mm-hmm.
We are not an AI agent. We were an AI agent when AI agent was not even a thing, right? We've been an AI agent when AI agent was not even a thing.
Agree. The
But
thing is,
now, yeah, that's what basically our idea is, that you can build AI agents using typeai. We're so much more than an AI agent as well, right? What we can do with typeai, it's immense. The
even
amount of
even the tech you
yeah.
have is very useful. What I think is,
Mhm.
you should. I personally think you should give it. You should launch your own agent who is just bullshitting in the uh, Twitter 24/7, 365. And that's what we are going to do for xalpha also now. And I would just
Okay, so basically
experimentally,
like AI XPT.
yeah, I would deploy like 5 to 10 influencers, AI agent influencers, but using xalpha data for different industries, gaming
Hmm.
KOL, this KOL, early launch KOL, or like with a specific persona. Like you mentioned so many income sharks,
Mm-hmm.
ABC, we put their like persona and we say like, okay, let's make some KOLs like them. So
Makes sense. Makes sense.
quite interesting
Very
type.
much possible. Yeah.
But how is marketing going for Type A?
It's going very good. We very recently had a very long call with some VCs. All right.
Okay,
We showed them
interesting.
the vision that we have been building. We showed
Mm-hmm.
them the roadmap. They've been very interested. A lot of VC money has been flowing into Type A, in my opinion. So now the thing is, as we grow bigger, right, the
Hmm.
deals become so bigger.
Yeah.
Everything becomes so bigger that it's so much at stake. Everything becomes so bigger that it's not an easy decision also, right? For example, there's this whale that wants to put 200K on the chart right now.
Hmm.
So I'm negotiating with him that
Mm-hmm.
okay, this can be the deal, this can be the deal, and yeah, this is where we are right now. To be very honest, the marketing is doing great. Uh, yeah, that's where we are. We're building, we're grinding,
This is the
working
way.
hard.
This is the way.
Yeah,
I have my Type AI backs.
obviously, obviously.
I haven't like I don't even know in which wallet now.
Huh, huh,
Like for real, man, I don't know
true,
where I
true,
have
true.
kept my Type AI. Crazy.
Yeah, there are a few people there who have judiciously worked for the past 1 year. I believe xalpha, type AI, this Sunny guy, Spectre
Ah,
AI,
Spect.
also a legend man.
Big, big, big. I mean, I think he deserves all the success.
Yeah,
He
yeah, he
deserves.
deserves it. He deserves it.
Man, he has really worked his ass off.
Yeah, yeah.
I have big respect for this guy.
Hmm.
Truly
Definitely. A
a great
good
guy.
marketer, a good community manager, he's everything, is all in one.
Yeah,
Good
yeah,
guy, humble,
yeah.
good
Truly,
person.
very nice guy. I would give him.
That's what he
It would hit
got the
100
success.
million, I think so.
Yeah, yeah.
No financial advice, but the team is good. The team is good, and that's what 1 year old token bull market. Ethereum would go to at least 6k, 10k, not 10k, 6k minimum, at least max 10k, in my opinion. So let's see how it goes. Well,
Yeah,
Ivan, I
definitely.
think let's close it. Let's close
Let's
it
close it, man.
and
I just can't head to sleep.
good night, buddy. And
All
I'll
right,
I'll
good night,
post
good
this.
night.
I'll post this raw. I won't even edit anything.
Yeah, not an issue.
Cool.
Not an issue.
So
All
how
right.
should I post it? Should I post it? I think I would do it via Goldie, or should I do it via xalpha?
I think this is not relevant for xalpha content. I
I
think
mean,
Goldie is good.
Goldie is
I can
good.
repost it on my Twitter.
Yes. Yeah.
All
Let me
right.
push it. Thanks, man. Have a good